Hi, so today we're going to make some 4-digit numbers again. And last time we used just our number cards. This time I want to use the number cards along with our golden bead material. So I do have the number cards set up like we did last week. And then over here in this little cup I have all my units. I have some tens, I have the hundreds and the thousands. So like last time, you can ask your child for a number, and if we want to start off with just one number, we can, but the children should be at least able to do 2, if not 3, and ideally all 4 categories. So let's start off with 3. So you can ask your child for 3 thousands, 700s, 2 tens. And they should go and have them repeat it to you. Say, how much should I ask for? And then they should say 3,700s, 2 tens. If they need it repeated again, that's fine. Maybe you write it down to make sure you remember the number. But you can repeat it to them as much until they have it, and then they go off to gather their supplies. So they should get 3,000s, 700s, and 2 tens. So they should get their number cards first, and then they can gather their materials to match. So we needed 3,000s, 1,000s, 2,000s, 3,000s. We need 700s, 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, and 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens. 2 tens. And when they think they have everything on their own, then they come back and they bring this to you, and then you can ask them, how much did you bring me? And then they can say, well, I brought 3,000s. All right, let's count. So let's see, 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s. I brought 3,000s. Here's the number to match. 3,000s. And I brought 700s. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s. And here's 700s. And then I brought 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens. 2 tens. And then you can say, well, let's see how much you brought me all together. And then we're going to stack our numbers. And then you can say to your child, oh, you brought me 3,720. You can go bring those all back. So they should then bring them all back. They should put it all back with their other stuff. And then they can come back and ask for another number. And every time you should just count with them after to make sure they brought you what you asked for. If they happen to have brought you 4,702 tens, then you just count it and say, oh, you brought me 4,702 tens. They may remember that, oh no, wait, I think she asked for something else. Or they might not even remember, but as long as their numbers match their beads, then we're doing great. Okay? So keep practicing those numbers. Thank you. Bye.